Hi, welcome to a very, very hot and sultry, humid, sticky, disgusting West London. Yes, we're in the grip of a heat wave. You know, I really thought we'd got away with not having a heat wave this year. We had a warm, few weeks early on. But I really thought, that's it, that's probably summer, that's the hot weather over and done with, great. And then bang, this heat wave arrives, which it's kind of been sort of really warm weather for, I guess, almost 2 weeks now. And as you all know, it's not my favourite. I'm literally sweating as we speak. You probably can't see, but I'm completely and utterly damp. I'm covered in a layer of moisture. It's probably giving me a good detox, which is great, but it plays havoc with my skin. I become blotchy, itchy, just very uncomfortable. And it's kind of been this really intense humidity and heat has been around for at least a week. And I'm praying for it to go. So it's kind of partially breaking down already. We've had a couple of thunderstorms, not storm of the century, and they've been during the day, so there's been no real spectacular lightning. There's just been little flashes, but there have been some enormous booming thunders going off, which is great. Thunderclaps, isn't it? That's the expression. I'm hoping for one during the night so I can bring you a new storm video, which I know some of you are waiting for. Some of you don't care, and some of you can go stick it. So what's been happening? Decorating is still in progress. The place is still quite chaotic. There's stuff in here everywhere, books and things that I'm sorting through, but I'm getting there, which is great. So the middle room, which is through there because I'm in the dining room now, it's the only bit of space with a window that I can record. It's kind of 3/4 done, which is lovely. I was actually doing it in the heat and humidity the other day, and I managed to do a significant amount, but I was dripping during it and kind of had to give up the next day because I thought this is pointless. It's really uncomfortable, and that's the thing about this weather that I don't like. You can't really get anything done without it being quite painful to do. Like this morning, I thought, get up early. Well, I woke at 4:30 because it was so still and so warm and so humid. I thought, get up, make some tea, and then put a wash on. I wanted to clean the shower room, so I started doing that, and within minutes I am drenched. The sweat is pouring into my eyes, my glasses are falling off, then I'm getting a headache, blah blah blah. So I'm sure that's the same for everybody, but I hate it. I really hate it because my productivity goes down and I like to be as productive as I can. Don't get me wrong, I like to have a good rest. You know that. I like my afternoon naps. But when that's the only option and watching TV, really? And getting heat exhaustion, So summer really doesn't suit me at all. And I am going to complain about it. It really annoys me when people say things like, oh, don't complain about it. You'll be glad of this when it gets to midwinter. No. Let's understand how my mind works. Yeah. I love autumn and winter and spring. I detest this time of year and this weather. I detest it. Let's fast forward to autumn as quickly as possible. There. Thank you. So, what else? Monday was a work day. Tuesday was also a work day. Went into the office, had to deal with a flooded kitchen. I'm not going to talk about it. Mops, cupboards, full of water, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Nightmare. Had to deal with it. Dealt with. Stressful. Blah, blah, blah. End of story. It's now Wednesday. I finished work. Thank goodness. But what can I do? Oh, yeah, I have to carry on with the decorating. Let's hope and pray to the gods of the weather that the temperature does drop. It's dropped a little bit this afternoon because we've had rain and a thunderstorm. But I'm quite sure the humidity will probably rise even further and become even more uncomfortable. Lovely. Yuckarama. So anyway, that's it really. I haven't got any news. I will update you further on decorating and things like that as I make more progress. Yeah. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching. Have a look at the storm footage. A little bit of pleasure for you storm lovers. And take care. And I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Bye. Bloody bye.